Hello guys, it's Mystic Andrew. Today we're now back in Mobile Legends. Today on Mobile Legends, as you can see, I'm using Diggy in this ranked game and I got a Maniac with him and this is the replay. Please enjoy and subscribe. Wait for more videos this summer. Thank you.
Your team destroyed a turret! Launch attack! Initiate retreat! Request backup! You have slain an enemy! Triple kill! Maniac! Wiped out. Your team destroyed a turret!
Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, and share with your friends. Bye!